This is an overview of the sales and profit summary template. To use this template, we first need to install and activate the add-on. If you haven't installed the add-on already, just go to extensions, add-ons, get add-ons, and look for Gorilla ROI. Type Gorilla ROI and then install the extension. Once the extension is installed, you will see it like this. And now we need to activate the extension. Mine is already activated, so I'll just go here. This is the box that will appear, and you will need to enter your user ID here. Hit save. In case the save button doesn't work, then you need to do the same using an incognito mode. So sometimes actually Google caches your memory, and that's when the save button doesn't work. So you will have to use incognito mode in that case. Once your extension is activated, just go to the data tab and make sure the data appears. In case you see an error here or you see no data, then just delete this SKU list formula and do a Control Z. So what it does is it triggers refresh for all these functions since they are all dependent on the SKU list. So this formula. So let's wait for this data to load. Okay, it's almost loaded now. Let's go back to the dashboard sheet and let's select an SKU here. Okay, so we have selected an SKU and all its product details now show up here, the image as well. The profit estimate after Amazon fees, you can see the chart here, the inventory status here, and then the units sold, average price, sales here. You can also use in these drop-down menus. The sales performance and inputs sheets or the tabs are actually backend tabs. If you do not know how these work, then please do not edit these two tabs, the sales performance and the inputs tab. Other than this, the instructions tab contains the instructions on how to activate the add-on and the color legend as well. So these are the color legends we use in our sheets. The glossary tab consists of all the functions you can use in your sheets. These functions are from Gorilla, so these are the custom functions. If you click on it, if you click any of these, this will open up, and if you click here, then it will take you to the relevant page on our website. So this is how this template works. Thank you.